All right, hey guys, welcome to BMN Hobby Breaks. Today we'll be breaking 4 boxes of Hoops Hobby 2020-21, the first basketball product of the year with the unis. Before we get started, on the bottom left is our Instagram at BMN Hobby. We'd appreciate it if you give it a follow. We're trying to grow our social media presence and love to tag you in your hits. Above that, bmnhobby.com, that's our website. It's a work in progress. You're probably going to see a lot more basketball product on it as we progress through the season, more basketball. But yeah, for now we've primarily been using it for soccer, so if you're into that, that's a good place to look. The description of the video, we got a couple links, Discord, hop into that. Lots of nice discussion. We got about 100 members or so in there right now. A lot of fun discussions, so give it a join. It's a fun place to be. And last but not least, if you could subscribe to the channel, appreciate it very much, and definitely helps us out a lot. But you can go ahead and mute the videos. You don't need to. We do break quite a bit, so if you're sick of seeing our videos pop up, you can mute them. But we do usually have all the release day breaks. We do those in Discord, so give that a look and or join our Facebook group. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Box number 1. So all the I will only be sleeving and top loading immediately the top 4. The top 4 picks, or top 4 rookies right now. Halliburton, Ball, who am I thinking of? Halliburton, Ball, God, I'm blanking. Edwards and Wiseman. The other ones I will sleeve. Every rookie card will be sleeved. Pretty much everything that ships will be sleeved because it is a paper product, so we want to make sure everything is well protected. But yeah, so just a heads up, because yesterday I was trying to sleeve every single card and I was borderline dying. Wow. What a first one. Congratulations, Knicks. Emmanuel Quickley, purple. Wow. There you go. What a first pack for you. We'll take it. Emmanuel Quickley, Tyler Bay, and Theo Maledon. Yeah, that's a nice first one. The rookie parallels aren't even that often. They don't pop up all that often, so that's pretty nice. Legends of look at that. Legends of the Game for the the Buffalo Braves. Bob McAdoo. I'm probably gonna have to look at, I don't even know what team this became, but the Buffalo Braves, this is 311 of 699. And Anthony Edwards, number 1. We should be getting a couple of these base. Hopefully we get a nice numbered one or an auto. That would be cool. All right, there you go. Anthony Edwards, number 1. And Sadiq Bey. Yeah, way to go. That's a nice start for you. Ja Morant. I'll see that later. Wendell Carter Jr. We have a Jalen Smith, Trey Jones, and another Emmanuel Quickley. We have I think that's a Hypnotized. Jason Tatum, Hypnotized. These are the hollows. I think they're all hollow. Card stock is a little bit nicer on that. Daniel Oturu and Cassius Winston. Azubuike and Malachi Flynn. Oh, look who that is. Very nice. LaMelo Ball, number 1. Man, his game yesterday was wow. Watched those highlights a couple times now. It's very nice. This kid is good. Very good. Lonzo Ball, number 1. Let's see how many of those we get. Dylan Brooks, Grizzlies to 199, and Robert Woodard the second. 199. This one is 46 of 199. Braves became the Clippers. All right, thank you. Yeah, I just haven't encountered that one before. Some of them I've heard of before. The other ones I haven't. Like the Royals became the Kings or something, and Kemba Walker purple. Precious and Bolmaro, the purple. So yeah, all the rookies will get sleeved later, so don't you worry about that. We will not sleeve paper cards. Oh, we will not ship paper cards without some sleeving. Ooh, that's nice. To 25. That is a big one. Nice one. Heat. Tyler Hero to 25. 15 of 25 Tyler Hero. Legends of the Game. Yeah, 15 to 20. That is short print. Oh, congratulations, Heat. I don't think I've seen enough 25 of that one yet, so that's nice. And behind that, James Wiseman and Kira Lewis. The James Wiseman card, when it came out, when this product first came out, it was going for like $100 or something like that. It was pretty crazy. So we're still missing Halliburton. The Knicks have some pretty good rookies, and I feel like I'm kind of underselling it by not, top loading and putting up the Quicklies. But I do think, it is a good investment to go with Toppin or Quickly. They're both really good players. I love these throwbacks. Karl Malone, Saban Lee, and Jaden McDaniels. Yeah, crazy. I think the Niners were in the Super Bowl last year. Now they just decimated by injuries. And Jimmy G looking like just kind of very whatever now. Right, like Jimmy G just... LeBron. Look at that LeBron. Jimmy G kind of just looks very... I don't know. I think they're going to move on. I'm kind of hoping we get Deshaun Watson, though. Deshaun Watson will be pretty sick. Torrey Craig, Nuggets. Be nice to see someone who can throw, hopefully a little more accurately. I don't know. Torrey Craig. I do like Jimmy, though. I feel bad saying it. Of Dia and Okongwu. I think they're going to try a trade for Bearcore. But I actually thought Stafford had a chance. What I don't want is I really hope we don't get something like Kirk Cousins. Zach Collins to 99. Nice one for the Blazers. I really don't want to see... I don't know. I like Kirk Cousins. He's a really nice guy, and he's not bad, but I don't think he's a guy that's going to win you a championship either. And but then just people seem to like him. Jalen Smith and Nwora. They might, but we're not going to get Trevor Lawrence or anything either, right? So I feel like that's unlikely. Malachi Flynn, we got next. Okoro and Isaiah Stewart. Oh my gosh, really? We've been rumored to get Wentz? Oh, hell no. Whoa. Ja Morant, courtside. That's a pretty nice looking card, actually. There you go. Courtside Ja Morant. Jameis Ramsey and Pokusevski. Wow, I had not heard that one. Wow, Carson Wentz, really. Oh, man. Kevin Durant. Ooh, nice. Cassius Winston. It's a hollow. Cassius Winston for the Wizards. I don't know, man. I think I don't want him to come out of retirement. Desmond Bane and Cassius Stanley. I feel like the guy needs he knows his body is beat up. Just let him retire in peace. Let's see what we got here. Nice. Kendrick Nunn. It's a nice one. Obi Toppin and Tyrese Maxey. I'll sleeve these up for now. What about Colin Kaepernick? What if Colin Kaepernick wanted to play again? Nice Zion Williamson. Killian Hayes and Aaron Naismith. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about. I just feel like Andrew Luck is not, Luka Modric and nice Cole Anthony too. Not Luka Modric. Luka Doncic. Been doing too much soccer, and a nice Cole Anthony with a Josh Green behind that. Nico Mannion and Grant Ryler. Primetime Paul George, Vernon Carey Jr., Patrick Williams, and Devin Vassell. Patrick Williams is a little bit overlooked. A lot of people are sleeping on him a little bit. I think he'll be pretty good. Malik Monk. Sorry, one sec. Cool. Nice Malik Monk. That's a purple Malik Monk. We have a Skylar Mays and nice Peyton Pritchard too. That's another one that probably should showing a lot of promise until that injury, but hopefully he keeps at it. Lonzo Ball. Pascal Siakam. Very nice. High voltage. And our two rookies back here, Elijah Hughes and LB. LB had a game. Desmond Bain, Richards, and Kenyon Martin Jr. So no Obi Toppin in this one so far. You're not guaranteed every rookie, and usually I see like one or two missing. Oh, here's the auto. Let's see what we got. Ooh, very nice. Precious. There you go. Boom Diddy for the Heat. Precious. Heat having a nice break. Wow. Oh, Pritchard's back? Wow, I didn't even notice that. I know his injury wasn't that bad, but I didn't know he was back already. Wow. I'll pay a little bit closer attention. Let's see what we got here. Westbrook, Zero Gravity, Terry, and RJ Hampton. So let me look through the base real fast for a red back. I keep the stack of the base next to me because there's usually a red back or so per hobby box, and we probably want to grab those. I'll double check the base if I missed any top players to ship, like second year jar or whatnot. Aaron Gordon has the base red back. Box 2. Here we go. One sec. Oh, let's see what the problem. Yeah, give me one moment. Okay. All right, here we go. Box 2. Looks like we are still a little bit slow doing it this way, so I'll try and speed things up a little bit. Zeke Naji, Elijah Hughes, and CJ Elleby. LeBron James. Devin Booker, Nick Richards, and Kenyon Martin. Nice. Purple Shea Gilgeous-Alexander, Tyler Terry, and RJ Hampton for the Nuggets. De'Aaron Fox, Spark Plugs. We got Precious and Bolmaro. I'm still looking for our first Halliburton. It's got to come up pretty soon, I think. Cole Anthony. Nice. James Wiseman, number 2. Looking good for the Warriors. Number 2, James Wiseman. Kira Lewis. It's KD. We'll ship that. Josh Richards and Jaden McDaniels. I saw Timberwolves. Got briefly excited. Not the right guy we're chasing, but nice auto nonetheless. Look at that. Nice looking auto. Timberwolves, Jaden McDaniels auto. Zero Gravity. That was Paul George, Vernon Carey, and Zeke Naji. Nice. Scottie Pippen, Zero Gravity. That's a nice looking card. This is the hollow. Nice one for the Bulls. Daniel Oturu and Cassius Winston. Anyone who's coming in for the subsequent breaks, number 4, I believe. Apologies for being a little bit late today. 306 of 999, Jamal Murray. Malachi Flynn and Udoka Azubuike. Ah, there you go. LaMelo Ball. LaMelo Ball, number 2. Hornets spot. Doing quite well. LaMelo Ball. Precious we got next, and Robert Woodard II. Nice. Devin Booker, high voltage. And there you go. Our first Tyrese Halliburton. It's about time. That's high voltage. Those are sweet looking cards. Tyrese Halliburton. This guy's real good. Should have went a little earlier in the draft, I think. But it is what it is. I'm going to move it quickly over. Okay, cool. Xavier Tillman. Seth Curry, Nico Mannion, and Grant Riller. We got a green coming up. Okay, we got a green coming up. Ha! Dwight Howard, Lakers to 99. 86 of 99, Dwight Howard. Look at that. I think there are Dwight Howard autos in here, maybe. I might be thinking wrong, but nice short print Dwight Howard, Pat Williams, and Devin Vassell. There you go, Zion Williamson, year 2. Ooh, that's cool. To 699, Legends of the Game, Steph Curry. This guy's gonna be Warriors fan, so I'm a little bit biased, but that guy is gonna go down in history. So that's a nice card to get. Denny Avdia and Okongwu. Steph Curry, amazing. Love watching him. So glad he's a Warrior. D'Angelo Russell. Denny Avdia. Nice. We got next. Nwora and Jalen Smith. Hypnotized. Russell Westbrook. Isaac Okoro, and Cass Stewart. Oh, we got an auto coming. Ooh, boom, Diddy Shaka. New York Knicks. Boom, that's an auto for you. 24 of 25. Knicks auto, RJ Barrett, 2nd year. Woo! All right, let's do this. That is an auto you want to see. There you go. That's one of the nicer vet ones. You get a vet auto and a regular auto in each one. LeBron James, Ramsey, and Pokusevski. Mike Conley to 199, Desmond Bane, and Cassius Stanley. Dwight Powell is our purple. Saban Lee and Jaden McDaniels. Landry Shamet. Ooh, nice. Anthony Edwards now playing. Obi Toppin right behind that, and Tyrese Maxey. Yep. Obi Toppin and Maxey always come next to each other. Just like Vassell and Patrick Williams. A lot of collation going on. Robert Woodard II. Oh, we got 3 rookies in this one. Interesting. Killian Hayes and Aaron Naismith. Yeah, that's a really nice RJ. To 25. Wow. Good break to buy the Knicks in. Leandro Bolmaro, that's the holo. Cole Anthony and Josh Green. Bolmaro holo and Cole Anthony. Charles Barkley Tribute, Tyler Bay, and Theo Maladone. Tyrese Halliburton now playing, and an Anthony Edwards right behind that. Nice Tyrese Halliburton, and this is your second Anthony Edwards, I believe. There you go. Anthony Edwards number 2. So a little bit, Halliburton is a little bit behind, but hopefully we hit a nice big Halliburton, makes up for it. Nice, courtside Luka. Beautiful card. Trey Jones and Emmanuel Quickley. One moment. All right. Box number 3. We're halfway through. Let's go. Oh, wait, one sec. Let me just grab the base to grab the red parallel. I don't know why they put these in hoops. Maybe it's a tradition thing, but I just think it's very... You can't even see the parallel. All right, I see it. It's red. Wes Matthews is our red back parallel. All right, here we go. Romeo Langford. Wait. There's 2 Kawhis in this one. Isaiah Stewart and Jordan Nwora. Ooh, that's nice. Zion Williamson, backstage pass. Nice looking card. Pokusevski and Isaac Okoro. I think those 2 might also go together. We got next Kira Lewis, Cassius Stanley, and Jarius Ramsey. Damian Lillard, City Edition, Tyrese Maxey, and Desmond Bane. Lou Williams. Troy Brown Jr. is our purple parallel. I think we got Obi Toppin in the back over there. Aaron Naismith and Obi Toppin. For anyone coming in for the next break, apologies, we're a little bit late. But we'll get into it right after we finish this one. Wow, he has a highlights card. Derrick Jones Jr. highlights for Heat, I think. Yeah, Heat. Derrick Jones Jr., Josh Green, and Killian Hayes. Oh, I think we have an auto coming. Ooh, I saw Hornets. I wanted it to be. But I actually think LaMelo is a redemption, huh? Grant Riller. Hornets autograph. Just not the Hornet you want. I'm pretty sure LaMelo is a redemption in this though. So, and Robert Woodard. Oh, there you go. Tyrese Halliburton, number 2. There you go. Second Tyrese. Zion Williamson. James Harden and Grant Riller. Heard there might be SCI. Maybe. I need to adjust the pick your team pricing a little bit, as well as my hands might just be Nico Mannion and Vassal. Hey, this is a weirdly collated box. But yeah, maybe. I'll see. Definitely have some more hoops for it. Nice Ja Morant, courtside. Hoops is just death, though, to break. I didn't realize how many cards there were. It's insane. Peyton Pritchard and Patrick Williams. I can see why, like, I think Leighton Sports Cards, I don't think they did hoops at all. And I think it's because it's just so many cards. They decided not to do it. That's my guess, at least. Skylar Mays, and this is a hollow Isaiah Stewart. Now playing. Ja Morant, nice. Second year Ja. Kawhi Leonard, hypnotized. It's a nice one there. Kenyon Martin and Elijah Hughes. Now playing Jalen Smith, Theo Maladone, and nice Cole Anthony. Just my chair. I'm running out of top loaders. I gotta go grab top loaders in a moment. Oh, we got our second auto. LeBron James. Who this? Oh! Yes! Wow, we're hitting on the autos today. That's a nice one. Except his auto is, wow. Who the hell signs like that? Nice auto, though. Patrick Williams, Bulls auto. Number was like 7 pick or something. I don't remember what pick number, but he is a very early pick, first round, top 10 pick. Very nice one for the Bulls. Paul George, Sadiq Bey, and Tyler Bey. That's a pretty nice one. I have yet to see an Anthony Edwards auto though come out of any of the boxes we've done breaks for, so I hope to see that sooner than later. There you go, Anthony Edwards, number 3. Not bad on the base, but parallel wouldn't hurt. That was 2 rookies in one box? Oh, wait, you're right. Wow, I didn't realize that. Grant Riller and 2 rookies in one box. That's pretty sweet. Middleton and Quickly. Legends of the Game. Portland Trailblazers, Bill Walton. Wow, it's a 25. That's pretty short print. Let me go get some more top loaders. Give me 1 sec. To 25. Nice. Bill Walton. 5 of 25. Nice one, Blazers. Cassius Winston and Trey Jones. RJ Hampton, we got next. Malachi Flynn and Daniel Oturu. Markieff, KD. That KD. Oh my gosh, you serious? Patrick Beverly and LaMelo Ball. There you go. Another. Oh my gosh. Did I just run out of sleeves too? Oh, come on. Possible for 3 autos. Oh boy. All right. Yeah, let's see if we get a 3rd auto then. This box. That would be cool. That means someone out there got less than their 2 auto average, and I feel a little bit bad because that means there's a box out there that didn't do well. All right, LaMelo Ball number 3, looking good for the Hornets. It's pretty sweet. And Azubuike. Devin Vassell we got next. RJ Hampton and Nick Richards. Ooh, nice. Luka Doncic, prime time. Nice looking card. Bolmaro and Tyler Terry. Ooh, nice. Aaron Naismith, purple. We got 2 parallel rookies today. Aaron Naismith, purple. This one is for Celtics. Nice one there. Kira Lewis and Precious. Oops. That bottom. Oh, let me get that back card. James Wiseman, number 3. There you go. 3rd James Wiseman. Good player. Buddy Hield to 999 and Zeke Naji. This one is 510 of 999. Super high number, Buddy Hield. Oh, nice. There you go. James Wiseman. I feel like these are really rare. I haven't seen too many of the inserts for Wiseman. Jaden McDaniel and Vernon Carey. All right, last pack. Looks like we are 2 autos. They just happen to both be rookies unless we stumble into one here. Let's keep going. Come on. Bill Russell. Bill Russell. Nope, no auto here. So 2 autos, but we got lucky. 2 rookies, 2 good rookies. Okongwu and Bill Russell. All right. Let me grab the red back real fast. Oh, boy. Nope. Not in this half. It is also possible the red back is one of the rookies. So, oh, I found it. Oh, that's why there were 2. Kawhi Leonard, red back. That's pretty cool. There you go. Let me move over some of the cards. Give myself some more space. All right, last box. Good luck, guys. Hopefully we hit a big auto. That would be nice. So for anyone who's in the next break, we'll start right after this. I know we're a little bit behind schedule, so bear with me. I'm not used to breaking something with so many cards. It's hard to keep to the schedule. All right, here we go. We got next Patrick Williams, Kira Lewis, and a Precious. Oh, there you go, James Wiseman. Number 4. Clean sweep of James Wiseman's. 444. One thing I do like about this product is it seems like it's a pretty nice floor. You shouldn't get destroyed if you do a couple boxes pretty much ever. So that's pretty sweet. Kevin Durant. Only like 1 or 2 times I've seen Zeke Naji. I've seen a Wiseman or Melo or something like that not get 4. So it's good that you're able to fulfill your investment needs. Oh my gosh, Knicks! Wow, boom shakalaka. That's cool. Obi Toppin purple. You got the purples of both top rookies and an auto. Look at you. That was a good day to buy Knicks. Congratulations on that. Jaden McDaniels and Vernon Carey Jr. Oh, Zion Williamson. Jamal Murray to 999. Our second one, 858 of 999. Okongwu and Saban Lee. Denny Avdia. Cole Anthony and Jalen Smith. Legends of the Ball, David Robinson for the Spurs. These are really nice looking cards, but I don't know if they're ever going to go for too much. Was that numbered? No. Okay. All right. Isaiah Stewart and Jordan Nwora. Cassius Stanley and Jameis Ramsey. Oh, wow. Ha! 2 of 10. Kyrie Irving. Boom Diddy. That is nice. That is awesome. 2 of 10. 2 of 10 Kyrie Irving gold. Wow. All right. That's our second gold. So that is pretty sweet. Kyrie Irving gold. Nice one for the Nets. Tyrese Maxey and Desmond Bane. It looks really cool because it's like black too. Black gold. Killian Hayes, we got next. Aaron Naismith and Obi Toppin. Giannis. Chris Paul, City Edition. Josh Green and Killian Hayes again. Yeah, that was a Kyrie of 10. Yeah, it's a good time to pick up the Nets. The Nets don't have too much rookies or anything like that, so that's a really, really nice card. Rudy Gay, purple, Maladone, and Cole Anthony. Oh, Luka. Very nice. That's our first base Luka, I believe. Yeah, I'll double check the pile later just in case. But nice Kyrie, Hypnotized, Sadiq Bey, and Tyler Bey. Nice. Congratulations, Miles. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. You had a feeling that today that was a Nets day. Elijah Hughes. Elijah Hughes auto. That's our last rookie auto for the Jazz. That's a rare one too, I guess. Haven't seen any of his autos. Anthony Davis, Vassell, and Nico Mannion. Nice. Ja Morant. We got both backstage passes today. Zion and Ja. Aaron Naismith and Peyton Pritchard and Patrick Williams. Confuse those Celtics rookies. Bolmaro, LB, and Skylar Mays. I don't really know too much about Hughes or anything though. There's so many rookies this year I don't know anything about. Was trying to put together the pick your team list and realized that wow, it's kind of like a whole new world compared to last year. You get so used to doing the Pelicans and Grizzlies and then like pricing everything else, and then you hit this year's rookies and you're just like wow, I don't know what to do anymore. Patrick Williams, nice. That's a hollow Patrick Williams now playing. RJ Hampton and Nick Richards. High voltage, Joel Embiid. Nice. Nice looking card. Sixers, Joel Embiid. I hope Kyrie stays on the Nets. He is such a diva. Bolmaro and Tyler Terry. I feel like he just can't function on a team for very long without doing something stupid. But he's a good player. I do like watching him play. Anthony Edwards. He has the handles of a god. Nice for Anthony Edwards. So you are clean sweep. Now playing Emmanuel Quickley and another Emmanuel Quickley behind that. So I'll sleeve up all the rookies after. Just only sleeving some of them now. But yeah, we will do the sleeving later. Oh, boom Diddy! Woo! Deni Avdija auto. There we go. Ooh, that looks sweet, except for his auto sucks. What the heck signing is that? Come on, Denny. You can at least Luka signed Lulu. That is Wow. That is not cool. Come on, Denny. A nice looking auto. It's a really nice looking card. The red for the Wizards. It looks really cool. That's a big auto. Aaron Gordon, Cassius Winston, and Trey Jones. Yep, looks like a kindergartner wrote that. You said it 100% right. It's terrible. I can't believe that's how he signed. Andrew Wiggins, Malachi Flynn, and Aturu. That is disgusting. Like, he should just... Like, come on, man. I was so excited to see that. Oh, LaMelo Ball. Legends of the Game. Devin Booker, 29 of 999. And I think that's a clean sweep for the Hornets, too, right? 444 LaMelo Balls. There you go. 4 LaMelo Balls. Azubuike. 2 more packs. Sadiq Bey, we got next. Xavier Tillman and Robert Woodard. We got 1 more pack left. I do think, oh, there you go. Tyrese, I was about to say we were missing Tyrese Halliburton, but there you go. That's what you want to see. 3 Tyrese Halliburtons. So you did miss 1 box, but not too bad. 3 base Tyrese Halliburtons. We'll take it. Daniel Gafford. Oh, that's okay. Grant Ryler and Steph Curry. This is awesome. I love this card. The throwback Curry. There you go. All right, I'll go over the hits real fast, and we'll move on to the next break just in a moment. So we have a Torrey Craig auto, Zach Collins to 99. Have a Jaden McDaniels auto, Dwight Howard to 99, Curry to 699, Grant Riller auto, Patrick Williams auto to 25, Bill Walton, Aaron Naismith purple, Elijah Hughes auto, and Curry hollow. Oh, 1 sec. Let me grab the red back, if there is one. Oh, there you go. George Hill. That is like the 3rd or 4th George Hill red back I've gotten in hoops. All right. So RJ Barrett auto to 25. That's a pretty big hit. Denny Avdia auto. Also a pretty big hit. Kyrie Irving to 10. 2 of 10. Precious auto. We got a lot of good autos today, actually. Quickly and Toppin purples. Legends of the Game. Tyler Hero. And for our Big 4, we got 3 Obi Toppin base. We got 4 Wiseman base. We got 4 Anthony Edwards base and 4 LaMelo base. All right, thanks guys. We'll go ahead and cut off the stream here.